All right, ladies. Got a little update. This is a 1999 Yamaha YZ 125. If you saw some of my other videos, this is not the other bike that I had rebuilt. This is actually a different one. Kind of a little bit about this bike. When I got this bike, it was in boxes, in about 4 different boxes in a million pieces. Prior owner, I don't know, just kind of either lost interest in the rebuild or something. But when I got the bike, it was all in pieces. Looks like what the prior owner did is the bottom crank needed to be replaced because the clutch basket had actually shattered, the piston had shattered, and all that had sunk to the bottom of the cases. So on this build, we had to split the cases, clean everything out, put a hot rods crank in. The top cylinder we had to have replated with a new piston put in. So basically, the whole new top and bottom end. The only thing I wasn't able to find or get in time was this head. This head is actually a different head. This is a head for a 2000 YZ 125. You could tell because the brackets are up front, well, they should be on back. So that's the only thing. Right now, I don't have the brackets on there until I get a new 99 YZ head. But other than that, the bike runs great. Front forks, all I did, the seals were good. So really the only thing I did is drain and refill with a new oil, fork oil. We did put on a new fender, decals, graphics, but bike came out all right. I mean, from being in a million pieces to where it is now, darn thing came out pretty good. Already have the Gold Series FMF pipe on it. Good tread, Maxxis tire. On this side, we put the new aluminum sprocket. I believe I went up to a 50 tooth. Yeah, I did. 50 tooth to for trail riding, the type of stuff that we do. New chain I put on. Looks pretty good. Let's see. Rejetted the carb, completely clean and flushed the carb out. That's pretty much it. New handlebars. So came out all right. Took about 3 months, but I got so many other projects going on, is kind of put them in order. So again, complete rebuild. New top, new bottom end, new hot rods crank, replated the cylinder, new piston. She's ready to roll. Came out all right though. I like it. I redid the seat cover. I had a black seat cover on here. I took that off. That was all kind of cut up and faded. So I reupholstered this. New handlebars, new grips, new kill switch. This will be a trail bike. We do some track, my little cousin does, but for the most part it's pretty much trail. So one of the things I might do later on down the road is send it out to have the cylinder ported for better low end. From there I'll rejet again and then continue to mess around with the gearing so she could be kind of lug around like a 4-stroke on the trails, but I'll still have that snap of a YZ 125 that people love. So again, this thing was in a million pieces and we got her all put together. She's running good, runs like a champ. So I'll see if I can start it up for you. Boom, there you go. Dry it up, idles perfectly. Coming from a million pieces into a perfect running bike. So there you go. 1999 YZ 125, complete rebuild, top and bottom end. Should be fun. Maybe we'll take her out this weekend.